Adios. Good morning. Oh, I stink. I woke up, started packing my sleeping bag, and whew, dude, my tent is smelling like ass at the moment. I am in desperate need of a shower and laundry, so I think the campground I'm heading to today has that. So I'm going to see about getting some change, doing some laundry, try and smell a little bit fresher as to not kill people when I see them in stores from now on. So I met 2 people last night just before getting to camp. So it was awesome. That makes 3 people that I have met on trail now. They are, I guess you could almost call them flip-floppers due to circumstance. Otto and Hondo are their names. Super cool guys. Otto is an Appalachian Trail through hike veteran. I don't think Hondo did, but they started this, and because of different reasons, Hondo has like knee surgeries, and they gave out on him when he started up north. So they're kind of flip-flopping, and they did the first southern up section to Woolwich last night. That's where they finished. And now they're going to be going up to go to the northern end again and redoing it and going from the northern end where I started down to Woolwich, sounds like. But good luck, guys. Wish you all the best. Love you. That section was a pain, just like all the rest of it, so have fun with it. Yeah, so let's see who else we can find. Maybe there's another person on this trail yet that no one knows about. But that would be cool if I run into someone else. We got a big day ahead of us. Let's get it going. Alright, here we go. Got everything cleaned up. We got some water. And we're gonna start the next day. My battery is almost dead, so we'll see how much footage I get until the cabin in 7 to 8 miles. So, here we go! Hey, porcupine! Oh, what's up, all mine? We made it. I got to the Ravensburg campground, and it's pretty nice. It's an honor system based, it looks like, so I'll just have to fill out an envelope, put my money in it. But I got a nice little landing pad for my tent. I got a nice little table, a fire ring here, so I can actually have a fire tonight. I got the bathrooms right over there, showers. So I'm happy with it, and I have someone that's meeting me here in an hour and he's gonna give me a lift into town to get some groceries and restock for my next leg down to Penn State. Yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm hoping it'll be a nice, smooth trek down. Now I'm gonna get some of my gear out, put it in the sun to dry, and yeah, start prepping for my food shopping run. All right, so this is actually super exciting because I actually have the time to dry out my gear. Up until now, I have been running myself until dark and nothing gets dry. My drop cloth, my tent, my sleeping bag are all damp. But now, I have time for the entire afternoon to dry it, and hung up my sleeping bag. And that is currently airing out and drying as well. All right, dude, great, fantastic. I made it out, got to a Family Dollar, got myself a bunch of wonderful goodies, got some chicken that was on sale. It was like the packaged chicken. It was like 2 for $3. I was like, hell yeah. So I got 4 packs of that. I got some yummy looking Kind bars that are protein based. I got a so good chocolate protein milkshake thing. Just what my body needed. And I got a whole bunch of other fun things. I got some special stuff for tonight. I'm gonna try and get a fire going. I got little pizza sticks I'm gonna do. Dude, it was a great trip, productive. I got some great things, and I got to meet an awesomely amazing guy. He posted his contact info on Far Out for this campground, the Ravensburg campground. So if you're ever in the area, you should look him up. He left his email on there. It's blackcatoutdoors44@gmail.com. So if you're ever in the area, in the Ravensburg campground area doing the MST, stuff like that, he's an amazing guy, very helpful, very nice, and it was great. Like, I was running out of fuel. He even ran back to his house to grab some leftover fuel that he had so that I could have, to make sure that I'd have enough fuel to make it to State College. So, super kind, super cool. I highly recommend, if you need a ride to a resupply and you're in this part of the trail, give him a shout out for sure. Now I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna plug all of this electronics back into the bathroom, finish charging it, and I'm gonna start getting things prepped, meals, and settle in, get my tent set up. Yeah, get ready to have a great evening, celebrate a little bit the right way, the way I was supposed to celebrate my birthday last night, and it just botched terribly because the location sucked ass. Yeah, we're gonna do it up right tonight. He even got me some Trail Magic. I got some ice cold beer from him, and pizza rolls, beer. I got some Doritos. Doesn't get much better.
Oh, shower! And let the revelries
Of the night begin. And here are the revelries. Got my fire. Doritos. Ah, so good. They are a new flavor. They're pineapple jalapeno. So good. And then tombstones. I never knew that they made tombstones in like sticks. So I got a tombstone pepperoni pizza stick and a supreme pizza stick. Those are going on the fire later. Yes, yes. And then I got one left. Woo! Such a good night. Good day. I'm all right with it. Now this is what turning 31 should look like. Partying, outdoors, nature, mountains, good friends to run into and make. Can't get any better. Alrighty, boys. This one is for the next 200 miles of misery. We are halfway, almost done. So here's to the next 200 miles of hell. Cheers.